What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video today. What I want to do today is do a couple of unboxings for a couple of projects that are coming up, and after doing those unboxings, we're gonna have a install video for each one of these products. I've been waiting to do these for so long, and I'm finally happy to have them here. Let's get started. Well, what we have is another care package here from Braum Racing. We're going to open this up and see what's inside. Alright guys, so before we get started, I do want to shout out Braum Racing for really hooking me up with all of this stuff here. I'm really impressed with all of their products, their seats, everything, you know, super comfortable, super straightforward, super easy to install. And again, I really do appreciate the opportunity that they're giving me. But yeah, let's get started. Right now we have a Braum Racing box, and let's see what's inside. A lot of styrofoam. I mean, they pack this thing up good, man. Alright, so one big box and a second box right inside here. Some of you might already know what these are, but you know, we're gonna open them up together and definitely take a look at the packaging and the quality of these pieces together. Yeah, let's do it. On a side note though, I really love these boxes that Braum really sends these things out on. They're packaged really well, and they actually look really cool too. So, and same thing, man. Like even with my seats, unfortunately, I don't have a video for that one, but you know, they come really packaged well. I finally got my Braum sticker. Check these out. These are really cool, good quality, and boom. Little card thing. But what Braum does really well is this packaging. Like, come with these bags here. I got the same bags that came with my seats, and honestly, I was really impressed by how they packaged it. But yeah, let's get started on this one. Like I said, I've been wanting to do one of these for a while to match the Braum seats. Boom, check these out here. New 6-point harness from Braum Racing to match my seats that I got. Good quality. Smells brand new. Look at that. This big Braum Racing emblem here. Red. I'm not gonna take the whole thing apart right now, but smells brand new. Honestly, I really can't wait to get these installed in the car. Let's put these ones back in the bag, and we'll open up the second box. All right, box number 2. You guys can probably guess is the exact same thing. You know, I got a pair. Again, same thing, another sticker, which is awesome, and then another bag. With that being said, man, it doesn't really necessarily mean I need to open up both bags to show you guys, because you already seen one. You know, it's really all the same. But boom, I'll show you from the bag inside. Kind of hard to see, but this is I gotta say, this is a really nice bag. I do really like it. I like all the fact that they put it on every single one of their products. It's great. For now, this is going back into storage until we get everything in and we'll get everything installed. Looks like we have another box here. Again, it is from Braum Racing. As from the last box, you guys probably already figured out what it is, but here we're going to show you anyways. So we just open up here. This is the racing harness that goes with the harness bar that goes with the racing harness. I'm sorry. So we're just gonna unbox everything, kind of show. I'm gonna show the quality, and yeah, and we'll get these installed in the next video. So you got all the hardware right here that you should need to be able to install the bar. This is on one of the. This is to attach the sides. So obviously 2 of them. Right here. Also got a sticker, which I think I'm going to use the smaller sticker and put on the bar. Yeah, it's hard to do with one hand, but we'll do this. Now you guys see my ugly face. This will connect from the bar to the ground. There's obviously 2 of them, 1 on each side. And this right here is the second one. And we have ours in white. Look at that. It looks so good. I can't wait to install this in the car. And then right here is the most important piece. It is the actual harness bar itself. Really nice material. I really like the way it came out. Look, we just did a white. Part of me wants to, kind of mix and match some of these colors, like have like some of the pieces be red or something like that. But I think red for the harness bar is a little bit much. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, once I obviously get it on the car, you see it all together, and then we can kind of figure out if I want to get these other ones powder coated red. But really nice. So really happy with it. The quality, how it came out. So, I'm struggling a little bit. I'm gonna try not to scrape the paint with this with this blade. So. I am an absolute mess. So I'm just gonna put this back in the box so we can use this film. Give me a second. Now, get it all back in the box. This is here, the bar, and everything like that. So I'm gonna get this installed over the weekend, and okay. Can't wait to see what it looks like on this other car. So our last package we're opening up today. It's a big one. I will say this package is actually a lot larger than I am. So let's open it up. Awesome, here we go. Fantastic. Man, they packaged this thing up good. Whoops. Well, I'm gonna get rid of the box. Alright, so we got 3 little packages here and a big one. We'll open the little one first. Great packaging, by the way. I just want to say. Check these out here. Short stands. Look at that. Really nice material, lightweight, nicely powder coated. 2 of them. This one is labeled Mountain Hardware. Wow, these trunk mounts right here, wow, they look really good. Or one of these ways, we'll figure it out. Look at this. Nicely powder coated, nice TIG welds. Second mount. Also, we got a box of bag of hardware. Boom. So there should be plenty for what we need. I hope. All right, the last one we'll all care about are stickers. We all love stickers. Oh, end caps. End caps. That's really nice. Wow. And stickers. If you couldn't already tell, boom, we're getting our big wing, courtesy of Battle Arrow. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, getting this out to me. Yeah, I can't wait to get this installed. Alright, now we're going for the moment of truth. As you can see, it's a big one. So, let's do this. It's getting hot in here, man. Let me open the window. It's an unusually nice, decent day in, the fucking middle of February, New Hampshire. Crap, man. Alright, we're just gonna cut this. I'm done. Here we are, guys, the new Battle Arrow wing. Oh, that looks a little larger than I expected, to be honest with you. But this would be nice, man. Pretty excited to get this thing on. Here we are. Also, I just want to show you guys real quick that I get a lot of shit, but I'm also too lazy to clean. But my cat loves it. All these boxes. Don't worry, I'm gonna take care of that later today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll get these videos all installed out there and get it out to you. Peace.